This is a comparison video between the Itel Power Tank and the Colar Solar 1000 Pro, both of which are 1 kWh power stations. Both of these devices actually cost the same amount, but I've seen a lot of differences between these two. I may not even believe that these two actually have the same price range. I'm going to let you guys which one of them do you think will come out as the better option in the end of this video. I'm going to start from the build quality to compare these devices. And the first I'm going to mention are the indicators. This power station here has 4 LEDs as indicators, which show you 25, 50, 75, and 100% charge states. While this one here, as you can see, has an LED screen that actually shows you the exact percentage, just like you see on your mobile phone or on your laptop. That alone, you know which one is better. The next thing here to talk about are the ports that you have available on these devices. You can see this one has 2 AC outputs, just like you have on your wall sockets. This one has 2 AC outputs too. This one is actually powering the lights for this video right now. So you can see the station is plugged in. So 2 AC outputs, that's a draw. But turning them around, you can see this one has an extra output, a USB output. This one doesn't have a USB output. So you can charge your phone, power banks, headsets, even your laptops if you have Type-C laptop without needing a charger. But this one doesn't offer you that. Both of them have AC inputs, that's for your grid or NEPA light, whichever one you call it. Both of them have PV for your solar panels. So you can use solar panels to charge these two devices right here. So on ports, you also know which one is the clear winner. Now let's talk about the performance. How fast do these devices charge and discharge? It's not just all about ports, you know. As for grid or NEPA light, charging with NEPA light, this one supports 1000 watt charging and you can get full in about 1 hour and 45 minutes. This one supports 350 watts charging. You can get full in about 4 hours and 20 minutes. As for the solar panel option, this one supports 400 watt charging via solar panels. This one supports 300 watt charging via solar panels. What of the output? Let's talk about the outputs too. Using these two sockets, you can get a combined total of 500 watts. So this one has an output of 500 watts max. This, on the other hand, has an output of 300 watts, but it can surge to 500 watts. Surge of 500 watts means that if you want steady supply, you can supply 300 watts, but in case there is too much load, it can actually go up to 500 watts for some time before it drops down to 300 watts. Both of the devices also have 2 fans each, but I actually do like the design of this one, or the positioning of the fans, because this one has 4 sides. You can see holes on 4 sides. So it has 1 fan on this side and 1 fan on that side, pushing out the air from this side and this side. So 2 fans positioned in 2 different directions. As for this one, it also has 2 fans, but the 2 fans are positioned on one side. So it takes air in from here and air goes out from there. Like I already said, for the positioning, this one is actually better if you ask me for the positioning of the fans, but the performance of the fans, I say both of them are performing well because none is actually overheating. So this one is actually okay and that one is okay. When it comes to charging technology, both of them actually support pass-through charging. I already talked about what it means in both videos, but for those who don't know, pass-through charging actually means that they charge the battery that is inside while also taking power directly from the source to power whatever you plugged in, which means that the battery is protected from having to charge and discharge at the same time, which actually causes degradation of the battery. So with this technology, your battery is going to last longer for you than is typical. So the next thing to compare is the fan noise when charging or in use. As you can see, both of them, the fans don't turn on or run 100% of the time you are using the device. You can see right now this one is running, the fan is not on. So the fans actually come on when you have used it for some time. Sometimes just 10 minutes of use is on, sometimes 15 minutes of use is on, sometimes 2 hours the fans come on. But it depends on the temperature of the place you are in. Okay, if you have cold temperature, it's going to heat up lower. If you have hot temperature, it's going to heat up faster. So the fans turn automatically when inverter is heating up inside, because these inverters, they come with thermometers, so the thermometers inside actually can dictate when it's getting hot and then the fans automatically turn on and go off when everything is cooler. So as you are charging it or you are using it, the fans will turn on at intervals and also go off at intervals. As for the fan noise, this one is way better compared to this. The difference is massive. This one makes a lot of noise. If you're a video editor or voiceover artist, you don't need this kind of noise around you when you are working. Once the fans come on, you can't be doing your work at the same time because you don't need this kind of. But this one is actually quite silent. So if you keep this thing down and your laptop is here, you won't even notice that the fans are actually making noise or that the fans have come on. But this one, you can't miss the sound of the fans coming on. Sometimes it even hums like. You feel like it's something else, there's an issue, but it's just the fans that are working. I forgot to talk about the overall build quality of these two. That's the build material. You can see this one is metallic. This one is plastic. You can see the difference. So this one is actually stronger. I think this one is going to take a fall better than this one will. This is plastic all over. This one is metal all over. And for the price range, both of them you can get for 340,000 Naira each, which is about $200 to $220 right now. So time to declare the winner. I think you already know the winner here. Same price range, metal body, plastic body, 1000 watt charging, 350 watt charging, 500 watt output, 300 watt output, 500 watt surge, USB port for charging, no USB port for charging, noisy, quiet. But when it comes to weight, actually this one weighs about 8.26 kilograms. This one is over 10 kilograms. Though this one is heavier, even though the design is actually much more beautiful compared to this one. This one is heavier and this one is just 8 kilograms, while this one is 10 kilograms. So if you carry this and carry that, you can actually notice the difference in weight. So weight, this one is a clear winner on weight and nothing else. Literally, it does not win on anything. So this Itel Power Tank is a clear winner in this situation. So if you have 340,000, you want to buy something you can pair up with a panel, maybe as a student in school, or you can even charge it to use it outdoors on recreation, picnics or whatever. This one is clearly a better choice for you.